Assalamu alaikum children. Now it's time to practice of English handwriting. For this we will use our Fun for Learn English handwriting page number 42. And here you can see some beautiful pictures and words. Have you noticed something wrong with these words? Yes, these words are not correctly written on the 4 lines. So first we will circle the wrongly placed letters. Then we will write them correctly in the space below. Let's start. This is an igloo. And this is the spelling of igloo. This is letter I. Can you tell me, is it on the correct place or it's on the wrong place? Yes, it's on the right place because I is a grass letter and we write grass letter on the line number 2 and 3. So we will leave this I and we will write I here as well, like this. Now see, this is letter G. Can you tell me, is it correctly placed or wrongly placed? Yes, it's wrongly placed. So we will circle it like this. Do you know the letter G is our root letter and we write letter G in these 3 lines. We write it from the line number 2, 3 and 4. Now look here. This is letter L. Is it correctly placed or wrongly placed? Yes, this is correctly placed. L is a sky letter and we write it in these 3 lines. Now look at, these are O and O. Are these wrongly placed or correctly placed? Yes, these are wrongly placed because O are grass letters and we write them in between line number 2 and 3 like this. Now read the word with me. I-G-L-O-O. Igloo. Now look here. This is a jeep. Jeep. Now look at the jeep spelling. This is J. Is it wrongly placed or correctly placed? Yes, it's correctly placed because we write J in these 3 lines and J is a root letter. Now look at E and E. These are wrongly placed because we write E in line number 2 and 3. E is a grass letter. So we will write them like this. Now look at the letter P. Can you tell me, is it wrongly placed or correctly placed? Yes, P is correctly placed because P is a root letter and we write P in these 3 lines like this. Now read the spelling J-E-E-P. Jeep. Okay children, now you know how we will write in these lines. First we will check the wrongly placed letter like this I and N. Then we will write the spelling with the correct placement. We will write K in these 3 lines. K is a sky letter. I in these 2 lines. I is a grass letter. N in these 2 lines. N is also a grass letter. Then we will write G is in these 3 lines, and G is our root letter like this. So don't wait too long. Take out your books, open page number 42 and complete the page. First, identify and circle wrongly placed letters, then write them with the correct placement on the lines and write them neatly on these 4 lines. Also, don't forget to color in these pictures. Thank you.